to create a Snapchat account. So if you want to create a Snapchat account, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've installed, you can open up your application and it will take you to the login page. Or you may have login option on the bottom of your screen. You can tap on login and then here you will have this kind of interface. So if you want to create an account, then you may have an option of create a new account. Tap on it. Or you can also go for sign up, which will be on the bottom left. Once you tap on sign up, here you need to enter your first or your last name. So enter your first and last name and then tap on continue, and here you need to enter your date of birth. So enter the date of birth and tap on continue, and here it will automatically create your username. But if you don't want this username and if you want to change, then simply tap on change my username and then you can add another username if you would like to. And now tap on continue. And then you need to set a password. So your password should be at least of 8 characters. So enter your password, and then if you want to save the login info on your device, then simply toggle that on and then tap on continue. And here you need to enter the email ID by which you would like to create the account. So I'll be choosing an email ID and then tap on continue, and you can add your friends. So you need to add at least 8 friends, and here you need to add your friends, or you can also skip that, which will be on the upper right of your screen. You can skip that or you can add. So I'll be adding just 4 persons. Tap on add and then you can create your Bitmoji, or you can skip that Bitmoji for now. And that's it. Your Snapchat account has been created. That's it. That's how you can create your Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.